Hi, I want to take a few minutes and talk about setting up the shared Panopto folder. The first thing you want to do is I just Googled Fresno State Panopto and that got me to the sign-in page. You're going to want to make sure that you're signing in under the Fresno State SSO and you can click sign in. You will authenticate and then you should be brought to your Panopto home screen. If you click under my folder, you are going to see established folders set up here. If you have not made a shared folder yet, I want you to click create a folder, name it with your first and last name, and then your course number. You've created the folder with your name, but now you need to share it. So you're going to open the folder and click the share icon. Under who can access this folder, you're going to click change your organization unlisted and save. And then you can copy and share the link with me via email. So I hope this helps you get started with your Panopto shared folder.